Hare Krishna, today, 27th of October 2020, we shall be reciting from Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 3, Chapter 12, text 37 onwards, which is entitled Creation of Kumaras and Others. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayit Nashtaprayeshu Bhadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavati Uttama Shloke Bhakti Bhavati Nashtaki. I can see a new face named Krishna Vrindavan. Prabhu or Mataji, whoever you are welcome in the cyber class and hope you'll enjoy your association with us. Hare Krishna. Maitryovacha Rigayajo Shamartha Vakhyana Vedan Purvadi Bhirmukhaih Sastram Ajayam Sruti Stomam Paryachitam Vyadhat Kramat. Maitreya Vacha, Maitreya said, Rika, Yaju, Sama, Atharva, the four Vedas, Akhyan of the name, Vedan, Vedic literature, Purva Adivihi, beginning with the front, Mukhaihi, by the mouth, Sasram, Vedic hymns, not pronounced before, Hayajam, Ajayam, priestly rituals, Shruti, Stomam, the subject matter of the reciters, Pariyachitam, transcendental activities, Vyadhat, established, Karmat, one after another. Translation by His Divine Grace, Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Maitreya said, beginning from the front face of Brahma, gradually four Vedas, Rika, Yajura, Sama, Atharva, became manifest. Thereafter, Vedic hymns, which had not been pronounced before, priestly rituals, the subject matter of recitation, and transcendental activities were all established, one after another. Om Ajnanatimirandhasya Jnananjana Salakaya Chaksmritamyenam Tasmai Sri Gurave Namah Sri Chaitanya Manovishtam Pastapitamena Bhutale Swayam Rupakadamayam Dadati Supadantikam Bande Aham Sri Guru Shadapadakamalam Sri Gurun Vaishnavam Sri Rupam Sagrajatam Sagana Raghunathan Vidatam Sajibam Sadhvetam Savadutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padan Sagana Lalita Shri Vishakhanvitam Cha He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dinabandhu Jagatpate Gopesh Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namastute Taptikachana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vishwahan Shute Devi Pranamami Hari Priye Vangsha Kalpataru Vyasya Kripa Sindhu Vayevacha Patita Nama Pavani Vyo Vaishnavi Vyo Namo Namo. Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare. Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prishthaya Bhutale Srimate Jayapataka Swamini Namine. Namaho Acharya Padaya Nitya Kripa Pradayine Gaur Gatha Damadaya Nagar Grama Tarane. Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prishthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swamini Namine. Namaste Saraswati Devi Gaurvani Paricharani Nirvishesha Sunyavadi Pashyad Desatarane. Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare. You must be observing that the invocation is taking more 3 to 4 minutes. And without invocation, without seeking the shelter, falling on the feet of these great Vaishnavas, I may not, or nobody may be in a position to understand it. That's why we are investing 3 to 4 minutes in the recitation. Maitruvacha Rigyajurusham Vakyan Vedan Purvadi Virmukhaihi Sastram Ijjam Sruti Stotam Paryajitam Vedhata Karma. So in order to answer questions of Vidura, who had said, he had requested Maitreya Muni, O great sage, whose only wealth is penance, kindly explain to me how and with whose help Brahma established the Vedic knowledge which emanated from his mouth. So today Maitreya is saying that beginning from his front face of Brahma, now he has 4 faces, so he is categorically saying, not from all the faces, from the front face. And front face means which is in line with his stomach. That's the front face. So from the front face, Rika, Yajur, Sama and Atharva became manifest. These Vedas are the knowledge for the mankind, which slowly, gradually, systematically elevate the consciousness of the soul to recognize the Supreme Lord, Krishna. And thereafter, Vedic hymns, which had not been pronounced before, priestly rituals, that so many things were not revealed earlier, so they have been given. Now Vedas are very big in reading, and prayers and hymns are in shortcuts, like richas or shlokas, like we are reading the shloka, only 32 syllables. So they become very easy. Otherwise, if you get access to the Rigveda, Sam, Yajurveda, you see the Sanskrit is like a big prose. Big prose. Very, very difficult even to pronounce where to stop, where to end. Where to start, where to end. Therefore, these hymns were given in a very short form, in a richer form or shloka form, and then it's very become melodious is one and charming other one, and it can be sung in any of the ragas. I don't know how many ragas are there. So these hymns or the rituals can be sung in many of the ragas. And this is what it is, the subject matter of recitation. The Vedas are subject matter of reading, but the mantras are for recitation. The transcendental activities were all established, one after another. Slowly and gradually, everything came into being and started being used by the Greek rishis, munis, brahmanas, Vedantists. They started utilizing it. So, what purpose? Now, who helped him? So, he's going to say it's Krishna. With the help of Krishna, this knowledge came. And how did he get the knowledge? Tene Brahma Hridaya Adi Kavi. These knowledge were already given within the heart of Brahma when he was about to be born on the lotus flower. So knowledge was in, but he just took it out with the help of Krishna. Text 30. Ayurvedam Dhanurvedam Gandharvam Vedam Atmanah Astapatyam cha srijat vedam karma purvadibhirmukhaihi. Ayurvedam, medical science. Dhanurvedam, military science. Gandharvam, musical art. Vedam, they are all Vedic knowledge. Atmanah, of his own. Astapatyam, architectural, cha also, asrajat, creator, vedam, knowledge, karumat, respectively, purva adivihi, beginning from the front face, mukhaihi, by the mouth. Translated purport by His Divine Grace, Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. he also created medical science, military art, musical art, and architectural science, all from the Vedas. They all emanated one after another, beginning from the front face. There is a purport. Purpose says, the Vedas contains perfect knowledge, which includes all kinds of knowledge necessary for the human society, not only on this particular planet, but on the other planets as well. It is understood that the military art is also necessary knowledge for the upkeep of social order, as is the art of music. All these groups of knowledge are called the Upapuranas, or the supplement to the Vedas. There are mainly 18 Puranas, but with the Upapurana, they are 56 in number. Spiritual knowledge is the main topic of the Vedas, but to help the human beings in spiritual pursuit of knowledge, the other information, as I have mentioned, forms necessary branches of the Vedic knowledge. And in Vedas, all kinds of knowledge is given according to one's nature, his liking, and his need. Everyone cannot become the devotee of Krishna. Everyone cannot become a devotee of Nrsimha or Rama or Varaha or Matsya or Kurma or the Vishnu. Everybody also cannot become the devotee of Devi. Ya Devi Sarvabhutesu Daya Rupena Samsarista. Namastasmai, 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 Namo Namaha. Everybody cannot become. So many people, they may believe in ghost for black magic. So many people may be wanting to fly like the bird in the sky. So many people wanting to get the things, sitting at one place, that desire and get it. So Vedas and Upavedas, Upapuranas contains all kinds of knowledge to cater everyone. Somebody say, what is the need? Well, if you go to any shopping center, the big shopping center, you see their aisles are full of the things, merchandise, different kind of merchandise. Now, a person can go there, only get the things what he needs. Other he will neither inquire nor he'll keep it. So similarly, in the Vedas, the knowledge is so much, whosoever want what kind of thing. There are so many mantras and tantras and black magic and, becoming anima, lagima, mahima, prapti, vasita, isita, and kamya. All these kind of things are there. So everything is in Vedas. Nobody can say, those who want to eat meat is in the Vedas. Those who want to kill the animal is in the Vedas. Everything that you want to do in the Vedas, so nobody can claim that no, my kind of knowledge does not exist in the Vedas. But then, a man should be intelligent enough to discriminate what is good for him, what is not good for him. Take the thing that is good for him, and don't take the thing which is not good for him. Another bad example. If you go to any bar, there are many kinds of wine, whiskeys, beer. A person goes, he doesn't take all, whatever he likes, and he enjoys. So Vedas are like a storehouse. Jnanalayam, house of the jnana. Whatever you want, you can pick it up. Lekin, but vidya mein hi samsare Krishna namni maha aushadhi. In this earth, Vidyaman means present everywhere. Krishna namni maha aushadhi. Maha aushadhi means the best and the biggest of aushadhi, the medicine of Krishna Nama. Pivanti na mahamudha Krishna nama rasayana. But those who are mudha, those whose intelligence is lost by their desire of the lust, greed, anger, and so many things, pivanti na mahamudha, they do not drink with the oral reception the Krishna nama rasayanam, which is just like in liquid, amrita. So all kinds of things, even see the military art is there, architectural is there, military is there, everything is there, science is there. And in the medical science, the many different kinds of sciences are there. And what is the purpose of the science? You just cut one limb, put another limb, and within a few seconds, limb start working. In case of Daksha, in case of Ganesha. Nowadays here in the material world, if somebody got a finger cracked or something like that, he has to be in the plaster for 3 to 4, 5 months. And another 1 year will keep paining. But in our Shastra, the knowledge is such, you can cut the limb, put another limb, boom, within a matter of few seconds, it starts working. Like Sukracharya has that Jivani, Mriti Jivani, the Vidya. Anybody who's dead and his body parts are not disintegrated, he can just blow the air from his mouth and that man will get up. So, knowledge is so much. And all around the world, they say Sanatana Dharma is a myth. You must have heard. Myth. Because it's a hear and say. But it's not hear and say. If you search it out, then you will find the essence is there. Germany, so many other Western countries, they are reading, they are learning Sanskrit first. 1 or 2 years course of Sanskrit. And then they are reading these Shastras, these Vedas, Upavedas, Puranas, Samhitas, everything they are reading to getting the things, if it was there, how it is. And Krishna gives them the mati, and they develop it. Let me take the text 39 also. Itihasas Puranani Panchamam Vedam Ishwarah Sarvebhya eva Vaktrebhya Sarjate Shamadarshanaha. Itihasas, histories, Puranani, the Puranas, supplementary Vedas, Panchamam, the fifth, Vedam, the Vedic literature, Ishwaraha, the Lord, Sarvebhyaha, altogether, Eva, certainly, Bhaktrebhyaha, from his mouth, Sasarje, created, Sarva, all around, Darshanaha, one who can see all time. Translation. Then, he created fifth Vedas, the Puranas, and the histories from his mouth, since he could see or past, present, and future. There are histories of particular countries and nation and of the world, but the Puranas are the histories of the universe, not only in 1 millennium, but in many kalpas. Brahma has knowledge of these historical facts, and therefore all the Puranas and histories, as original composed by Brahma, they are the part of Vedas and are called fifth Vedas. But some of you might be saying that, but Puranas and Vedas are written by Vedvyasa. Vedvyasa compiled them, put them in an order in a word form. Previously, he wrote a Shruti. Brahma had created Shruti, and Shruti means if he speaks to his disciple, he understands it as it is with exact comma and full stop and inverted commas. But when the age of Kali came, Prayena Ayu Shabhyaha Kalava Isman Yuge Jana Mandashu mandamatiyo mandabhagyahi upadritaha. When the age of Kali was setting in, Vedvyasa knew the people have sought life, misguided, always disturbed. So he put everything in writing. So, original is Krishna, but Krishna gave to Brahma. Brahma just gave it to you, and Vedvyasa put all this in writing. So, these Puranas and Itihas and stories again, we call that myth, right? Now let us say, if it is a myth, roughly more than 2 million years have been passed when Lord Sri Rama came and exhibited his Leelas here. Till today, in the different part of the world, people watch the Ramayana drama. If it was a myth, why would people be watching it? That is more evidence than factual that it's not a myth, it's a fact. And nobody can deny the fact. Even Lord Krishna, so to say, 5,050 years before, why his the deeds, his characters, his leelas, his style is being followed? Because they are not myth, they are the actual fact. And when anything is actual, it doesn't get destroyed. It is known as aparusheya, not man-made, is a divine made. Man has a beginning, a middle and end. But the divinity and divine has no beginning, no middle, no end. It always exists. And there's a reason that even the people of Western countries, they are trying to study these Puranas, these Vedas, these Upanishads, these Pancharatra, and so many things. And they are gaining success in the pursuit and getting the end result. Some of you might say, but then why we are bereft of it? See, what is in the end? In the end is Narayana Smriti. That's the end of all. If you could not remember Narayan at the time of death, then all that we have accomplished, gone to the waste. So Ante Narayana Smriti, if by doing, even simply reading the Srimad Bhagavatam as we have been delivered by Srila Prabhupada, is more than enough. Ante Narayana Smriti. So this is what the aim of life. This is what these Puranas and things were created. As the time is up, otherwise one sloka about take. Okay, I will not finish it. So with this, I'll come to the conclusion of my talk. Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to be with you, to speak about Lord Sri Krishna, whatever I can remember, whatever the flashback in my mind, that I spoke. Hare Krishna.